dance?
Anna, what are you doing?
Two errors.
What?
They've made 2 errors. We have no errors, and they're winning 9-2.
Don't tell me both those runs are unearned. As they say, a bad day on the boat is better than a good day at work. Hi, honey. You interested in me? Yeah, look at this. We don't want to get off the boat right now because it's still moving. You want to look at the water?
You can sit on the little, on the side stuff.
It's probably going to get worse, too, because they have first and third only 1 out.
Look at Daddy. Say, look at the lake, Daddy. Say it again. Look at the lake, Daddy.
Are you looking at the water?
I'm having a big key right now.
Don't drop your Bessie. Give it to Uncle Lala, okay?
I'll hold it. Say, look at the Lake Michigan.
Is that pretty water?
Pretty water. We're going on a boat ride. We're looking at the pretty houses. Look at an apple. They put apples out here just in case you get hungry. Boy, is that ever nice. The apple people come through. You drop an apple just in case.
You know how to do it?